Get top-tier results with the best FDM 3D printers that blend precision, speed, and reliability. These machines are designed to handle a range of materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG, making them versatile for various projects. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best FDM 3D printers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro redefines high-speed 3D printing, reaching up to 600 mm per second with a remarkable 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration. This performance is 12 times faster than most FDM printers, without sacrificing precision. The Core XY structure ensures stability and detailed accuracy even at top speed. Operating at less than 50 decibels, it provides a quiet workspace ideal for home or office environments. This 3D printer simplifies the process with a true one-click printing experience. Forget manual leveling. Just press a button and it's ready to go. Equipped with a filament runout sensor and tangle detection, you won't have to worry about failed prints. The dual filtration system effectively captures 99% of particles and VOCs, ensuring safety in enclosed spaces. Engineered for efficiency, the Adventurer 5M Pro's 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, melting filament at a rate of 32 millimeters cubed per second. The built-in vibration compensation minimizes ghosting, while dual fans maintain temperature control, reducing wire drawing and model deformation. Additional features include remote camera monitoring for real-time observation, offering greater accessibility and control. Redefining efficiency, the QIDI Q1 offers a generous 12 by 12 by 11 inch print volume, enabling simultaneous production of multiple models. Maintaining the advanced Core XY structure from its predecessor, the X+3, this printer suits both professionals and beginners looking for faster, more precise results. Equipped with a second-generation active chamber heating system, the X+4 offers an impressive 400 watts of heating power. Its air circulation, design, and dual-layer insulation create a balanced and consistent internal temperature, minimizing warping and cracking during high-temperature filament printing. This leads to more stable, high-quality prints. The X+4's upgraded 80-watt high-temperature hot-end can reach up to 370 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with a wide range of advanced filaments. Its multi-metal integrated throat nozzle enhances wear resistance, minimizes clogging risks, and simplifies installation and removal. Setting up the X+4 takes just 10 minutes, and its intelligent control system allows for remote monitoring and real-time progress tracking via the QIDI mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer. Filament wrap and break detection minimize waste, while a built-in HD camera supports remote monitoring and time-lapse photography. The Creality K1C 3D printer redefines speed and precision with its advanced Core XY system, delivering impressive 600 mm per second printing speed and rapid 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration. This power translates to up to 12 times faster performance than typical 3D printers without compromising quality, making it a standout in fast-paced projects. Its direct extruder and tri-metal unicorn nozzle offer clog-free performance and handle high-temperature materials like carbon fiber effortlessly, providing versatility for complex designs. Auto-calibration is achieved with a single tap, ensuring accurate bed leveling for consistent results. The printer's balanced print head fans minimize vibrations, reducing common issues like ringing or ghosting, enhancing overall print quality. A built-in AI camera continuously monitors the printing process, detects errors, and supports time-lapse photography, giving users greater control and visibility. Noise is kept to a whisper at just 45 decibels with the silent mode, and an air purification system equipped with activated carbon efficiently removes odors and particles, creating a cleaner, more pleasant workspace. With advanced features and precision engineering, the QIDI Q1 Pro sets a new standard for desktop 3D printing. Its dual Z-axis motors and core XY structure deliver speed up to 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared, ensuring faster and more accurate prints. The core XY system reduces vibration and weight on the print head, maintaining excellent quality even at high speeds. Equipped with full auto calibration and intelligent filament detection, the Q1 Pro takes the guesswork out of setup. Dual sensors accurately auto-level the bed, while the Hall filament runout sensor and tangle detection monitor the filament in real time, reducing errors and wasted material. The active heating chamber, maintaining up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, minimizes warping for tricky filaments like ABS, PA, and PC, producing strong, stable prints. The printer arrives nearly ready to use. Setup to first print takes about 10 minutes. Beginners and experienced users alike will appreciate the user-friendly experience, complemented by a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse recording. The Snapmaker Artisan 3D redefines versatility in creative fabrication with its advanced 3-in-1 design, combining 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving in one compact machine. The modular, quick-swap setup makes switching between these functions smooth and efficient. Note: this model includes only the 3D printing version. The Artisan 3-in-1 add-ins and enclosure must be purchased separately to unlock all functions. Its large work area of 15.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches accommodates intricate projects while saving space. The dual extrusion 3D printing module uses a 7:5:1 planetary system and dual extrusion gears for impressive speed and precision. The all-metal construction features industrial-grade steel guide rails ground to micron-level precision, boosting stability and accuracy. Quick-swap toolheads and platforms allow seamless transitions between tasks, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. The Artisan supports over 600 materials, from PLA, ABS, and TPU for 3D printing to wood, metal, leather, and acrylic for laser engraving. The CNC module, equipped with a 200-watt spindle and 4mm CNC bits, handles precision machining on various materials, meeting both hobbyist and professional needs. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.